Activision Blizzard is next. I actually own this one. I don't know if I mentioned that.
Me too.
You own this in your funds too.
Yes.
Activision Blizzard, of course, is the American game developer, which is the combination of Activision, which was the California, Santa Monica-based company, as well as the merger with Blizzard Games, which actually was owned by Vivendi, which is a French company. They put this thing together, market cap $47.36 billion, price earnings ratio 42.56, dividend yield 0.48%. Best known for its Call of Duty and other game titles. This one looks good too. Handsome looking chart.
Yes, and they are the ones that also bought King Digital, so they own Candy Crush as well. They license a lot of their games internationally, including to China, and we'll get to their partner, the licensee in China a bit later on the show. But great range of games. Also, once again, took people from a console-based business to a mobile and PC-based business. And then one of the things that they are really growing in is esports. So, Paul, not only do people love playing these games, but a lot of people like watching people playing these games. Unbelievable.
So people even prefer to watch other people play a sport video game rather than real sports.
Yes, yes.
It can be as or more entertaining, and the graphics are as stimulating.
Correct. So whether it's an NBA game or a FIFA soccer game or NFL game or one of these more intricate strategy games, you have a lot of people that say either it's more interesting to watch the fantasy league or they don't want to play themselves, they just want to see how other people play. And I've seen footage of whole stadiums being booked out, of scores of people watching this, and that is where Activision Blizzard is also growing, because they own the rights and they're creating these tournaments with big prize money pots for e-games.
And as far as these titles are concerned, you know, people make a lot of noise about some movie that comes out that grosses a couple of $100 million on the first weekend, you know, like Avatar or Iron Man 6 or whatever it is. But these games, when Activision drops a new version of Call of Duty, Black Ops or Ghost or whatever, they sell billions of dollars worth
grosses
in the first
more,
couple of days.
Correct. Over the opening weekend, one of these blockbuster games grosses more than the opening weekend of a blockbuster movie.
Absolutely.
Unbelievable. Now, it's a lot more expensive than a movie ticket, but it just shows how big the market is, and the market is growing. Now, it also speaks to the one risk in terms of needing blockbuster releases every now and then.
Creates that lumpiness, which is a concern, because if you're expecting something before the festive season, but the game development is held up because the team has got a problem, that can be an issue. You can miss, and that can create volatility in the earnings.
Correct, and we have seen that in the past. Activision Blizzard has got a very wide variety of games, a good catalog, so they've mitigated that through buying King Digital and diversifying, but it is something to be aware of.
So what do you think?
I think this is still hot. There's been some weakness in the share price recently because of this lumpiness, but I still like Activision Blizzard a lot.
Excellent.
So I say hot.
Me too. Hot on that one as well.